Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add ChatGPT Search to Google Chrome. Now you can see I'm using the free version of ChatGPT because it says here that I should upgrade my plan. So for you to add ChatGPT Search, which is the latest functionality for ChatGPT that uses Google Scene data sources, simply go to a new tab and search for Chrome Web Store. Chrome Web Store, and this is it. It's going to bring you to this particular page. What you need to do is to search for ChatGPT Search, and search for that. Now this is it. I already have it installed on my browser. When you click on install, it's going to install. Then you want to add it to your search bar. So this is it. I can click on it, and when I click, I can search anything I want, and ChatGPT is going to give me results similar to what Google is giving me, and actually even better. Now look at this. If I should search here, what's the tallest building on earth, you can see it takes me to ChatGPT instead, and it's going to crawl the internet for the most reliable sources of information. You see, it tells me it searched 5 websites, which is pretty much what Google does, and it's giving me this information. It's giving the sources. You see, it's giving the sources too. So that is how ChatGPT search works. This is arguably better than Google. Now note that you can ask it follow-up questions with regards to this particular search term, this particular result. I'm going to do a full in-depth video on ChatGPT Search, and you can use it to your benefit. So if you got any value out of this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on the notification bell so when I put out videos like this, you'll be the first to be notified. God bless you. Peace.